part 3. And I'm curious, how is it that the Workers' Comp Appeal Board, because my previous case, in which I'm trying to get this judge disqualified for, and this was her first time ever hearing a case of mine, which was back in 2019, where she barred everything. How is she on my audit case that I did? Okay. And then she turns around 5 years later from the original case, and she's on my new case. So she's been on 3 cases. I don't understand that. You're going to tell me all these judges, and I end up going back to the same judge twice? That's why I said it just makes you just say, something's not right. Because you would think that the case would be going around, especially if you have a new case. Why would you give it back to this other individual who's seen this person already twice? Why would you do that? I mean, the person did a reconsideration on the judge. She did this. Why would you give her the case again? Why would you put that same applicant in front of that judge? If there's an attorney out there that can explain that to me, or explain the fact that you can have a case that goes on for 13 years, and then all of a sudden they use operational law to bar your case. If you can explain that to me, I would appreciate it, because I really don't understand how you can bar something, but it was going on for 13 years and they never barred it then. And the statute of limitation quote, or the operational law at that time, is like 5 years. So if you're starting a case at 2006, 5 years would have been 2011. How come it wasn't stopped then? I mean, what it was continuing. So how do they get to use operational law? Yeah, these are the things that come up, and judge don't explain that. Just bars your case. Then you say, okay, within 5 years or whatever, I'm further disability or whatever, and then she bars that too. Yeah, I got a lot more to say about this. That's my 2 cents, and $1 ain't gonna change it. I'm out.